Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Toyota Aurion Sportivo SX6, stock reference number 5348. The shape runs from the 10th month 2006 through to the 8th month 2017. It has a 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 18-inch factory 2016 model Aurion alloy mag with a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left rear factory 18-inch alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, right guard has a small fold on the front edge, and right front 2016 Sportivo alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, aftermarket Sony touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.